Spanbamina, Wednesday, Friday. Moitika, the Makata man egg. Hey, at the last week. So she and like when go to Kubula, Mapele, the boss of Katlin and Nesmatala, Wangarita ZAMA-ZAMA. He go akure busy. I know that social media machanga na guys vasonga vakwata. Hasha kwata zile so I busy that tora so swi loko hi nga koti ku endla risimu lero a hi nang ta social media ku nga ri mhaka vunanga nkarhi wun'wani swi kahle ku hi teka break ka mhaka vuyimbeleri hi languta na swin'wana so leswi a hi ri busy swona mi nga va mi ti vonini ti-video ta kona. So yeah, we are back here now. So as you all can see, Mapele and Ness are back with a single. It's called ZAMA-ZAMA. You know, yes, they are featuring King Dos as well. Lawan, Vafamba kahle ka keyboard. Kurumamba ulele King Dos, King Sono man, the producer. Mapele the boss. Yeah, baka balawanga tlangan the keyboard lan. Yeah, mina nshivoni vele Mapele xikha tlanga ka video one. Pero vitore pera. You know, that keyboard itlange Mapele swi nga swi vona kha swi tlanga ka studio xa yena. So yeah, swi kahle ngopfu. It's a good one. Leswi swa 2021 leswi swi nga ndliwa kwala ka Pele Should Records. Haleni ka Mandla wa Gingirikani. So swi kahle ku va hi vona Nesmatala na Mapele va kha va vuye swin'we hi vunanga. Ni vona Mapele xibezaza lani. Also kuna mhaka leyi ya vuhlalu lebyi va nga byi veka nhloko nga ri imaging ya vona va ri vambirhi lava kahle kahle a hi tshikile ni vona. Nesmatala ti-colour leti a xi ti tshiki heyi ta Xitsonga to shine to rasa purple and yellow and orange wa to a red mara vona Nesmatala va ri busy na ku dyondzisa vana mhaka ku cina Xitsonga xibelani. So i mhaka kahle ngopfu leyi va nga ku yi endleni. You know, Mapele the boss. Yeah, it's a nice song. Looking at ZAMA-ZAMA. I used to go komele yini. So ni vona ku swi ri kahle ku ri hi tinghenisa ka tona if hi twa ku ba hi khomele yini ta tirata ka video leyi hi ta va hi kha hi languta video leyiwani ya mi ta va hi kha hi languta risimu leriwani ra Mapele the boss na Nesmatala ri nga twa ZAMA-ZAMA. And then xa vumbirhi hi ta va hi kha hi languta JB Maxon loyi a nga ta va kha a acta risimu leriwani ku i ri endlise ku yini. Hi ta va hi kha hi also xa vunharhu hi ta yingisela but majulu ku va hi byela ku mavonelo ya vona hi risimu ra Mapele. You never wanna miss that one. So yeah, hi nga zi hata nkarhi guys a hi tweni ku Mapele na Ness va hi khomele yini namuntlha va ku ZAMA-ZAMA. I love this melodies swa tika ku tlanga ti-melody ngopfu loko tlanga music wa Xitsonga. Mina ti yingisela tinsimu tin'wana kuma ku va na twang ku hava patupe ta patupe melody liya ya kala ku munhu a yi creator and vanhu vo tala va ti endli and swi endla ku risimu ri bora swi endla nga ri is a loop. Oh, King Dos, xi ri vutomi byo masiku lama wo phandaphandha. Ni tsakisa hikuva va vulavula hi Xiportukezi la ma swi tiva ku Mozambique ri tiko leri ri nga tala Vatsonga halani ende ke na a ri colonize hi Maportukezi kusuka le Portugal. So va vulavula Xiportukezi leyi. So swi kahle ku va hi twa a South African artist a kha a include vanhu lava nga Mozambique va yingisela ku music wa Xitsonga. Nice one Mapele. Mapele man. Nice song, man, Mapele. I've stuck with a rate in this little one. Hi nong tiva lava nga ku zama-zameni va nga ti akela tiyindlu va nga ti xavela timovha va mbala kahle tilebulu Jewish maka Jewish you know swi kahle ngopfu leswi wo zama-zama kahle kahle. Ilwa ntombo kahle timari netukunene ilwa ntombo. Can you that bedu zama-zama? Hey, wait. What? Bangani bribe la. Risimu leri ritwala ku fana na risimu rin'wana ra khale ra Nes na Mapele. No one nga swi tivi ku mani a hi matsivela a hi matsivela ni byeleni n'wina laha hansi ku ri ri fana na risimu leriwa because risimu leri ri twala ku fana na risimu ra Mapele na Nes ra khale. I just don't know which one it is. Ri tikomba nga ri sample kona kumbe not ku sample mara nga ri tekeleliwe kona. Maybe let me put it that way.
Zama-zama mafoza, zama-zama ni mafozo. Zama-zama mafoza, zama-zama ni mafozo. Koma zama-zama sabutomi lebre. Koma kokuza sabutomi.
Kuna brazi on my ear, guys. Like brass sounding on corner. Po. My ear, kumisa luto man sign. But guys, min logun kai min to feel la. Ayan and they are baking their zama jumela kuneni is competed rhythmic singing. Iso na look what gajela kuneni la. Oh, vaya kwihe nesimatlala.
Vamwe va khoma tibeke loko dyambu ri pela.
Ibyeleni.
Kambunga vasole.
It's like I knew what oh, hey.
Zamo. Irunga vasole. Koba zama-zamo.
Simle rale kun Jimisen, guys.
Nase toma lembe rishinwe na wena mambawulele tlanga kwalano.
Okay, kama mbawulela lawane. But nilakuvula hi lava nge 8 toma lembe va rishinwe. Is it 8 years, guys? Kuma mina no phukala. The first time mina ni hlangana na swo swa Mapele na Nes, it was 2014. Loko ni nga hembi, guys. Kumbe ni correct. Let's count. 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 2020 was Suswana. So it's 7 years. Kumbe va hlangane 2013, they kuya huma swiya huma 2014. Then swi ndla 8 years. Then I understand. But if it was 2014, then it's 7 years officially. I don't know.
Anga na wena son of the producer. Dos, Nese, okuyini we?
Niranda ku khensa wena Mapele the boss. Namuntlha mina na wena hi nga hlangana hi endla vunanga. O zama-zamiwa ka vutomi lebyi bya nkarhi lowu. Mi nga voni munhu ambala swo koma. O zama-zama.
Vaya kwihi va Jekine, vaya kwihi va mbale swo koma.
Mi nga voni loko hi famba na vakhalabya. O zama-zama.
Mo vulavula hi ti baby mama kumbe xana ti sugar daddy. A hi swi tivi.
Mi nga voni loko hi famba swinyamini. O zama-zama.
Mi endleni swi nga mina kumbexana mi hungunkumela kwihi mina ku nghenela mindyangu ya vanhu van'wana mo zamazama sweswo hayi vanhu van'wana va hasila hi ndlela yin'wana yo hambana
mi nga hi voni ku tola ti-makeup hi hindzisa mpimo wo zamazama
timarinete kunene ilwa to bo leswaku theme liya simuleriwa ri fanele simulera ra mina ra ilwa ra timarinete kunene veri vo ti pharakela kunene makeup ya kona vo zamazama
hi ku ko va zamazama ka vutomi bya sweswi
hi leswo ntombi ya
hi
mina
leswo
Wazama-zama mapelo Wazama-zama naneso Wazama
tsakisa voice leya ya King Dos ileswo Mapele the boss
the boss
I like it.
Wazama-zama naneso Wazama-zama bafoza Zama-zama ni bafozo Wazama-zama bafoza Zama-zama ni bafozo Koba chase la posa Koba chase la posa
I like this thing. Similar to kahle guys. Go va chesla posla. Ani swi vula yini?
Bella I finder
Oh, kumbexana swi translate ku I finder. What is zama n'wana mani?
finder Koba chase la posa Koba chase la posa Ewen finder Koba finder
I like that part. Go va finder. Ileswo almost 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Maybe 4 minutes and 45. Yeah, it's a bit long. You know, I would have liked it to be at least 4.5 or 4 minutes. Guys. Maybe it's a down, you know, about this song, you know. But anyway, Mirvona just Mapele guys, Mina Gwana Kamina, also refresh, it's fresh, it's very fresh. Kuba I wanna pay the boss au mesa resimunga the beef. Mutiba kahle kalaka bifa na ben mangani. Bifa ben mangani because Ben hasn't said anything so far. You know, let's be fair. And then Kulawula Makaya Yangwan and all those things, you know. I hate entertaining it actually. So Mapele has actually made his career around that right now because it's almost like his second comeback song. And then because I remember before he started beefing, he was getting plus minus 2 likes, 3 likes. So I'm not sure if it was his strategy to garner a lot of support, fans in a short space of time, and he got a beef, you know. I'm not sure if it was a strategy. It could have been a strategy because if you look at Mapele, it's someone who actually studied. He went to school, UCT, Imulanga graduate, he did filmmaking and media studies. So he actually understands the power of social media, and it works. It worked to his advantage because look what Chekaka page anga isungula akale is not even for 4 months old. That page, maybe it's not even 3 months old. Page already over 8,000 followers. That shows that this page is growing. People are starting to have an interest. Kuna relevance nyana right now ka music why ena itlhelo ra music wa Xitsonga ka Vatsonga because of leswi anga swindlisa swona. Very kuna tindlela to hambana to dlaya ximanga. So Mapele found a different way to do it. And then he got a lot of attention because, like I said, Mandla Gingirikani, mwina miranda ngof beef. Like ngana beef mitsumela kona, miranda ngof jeje kahle. Milako honya. So yeah, I feel like Mapele used that to his advantage. Maybe she also he's gay, you know. So he almost like rode on top of that theme. Yeah, gay. Did I say rode or ride? Guys, I can't use the word gay and ride in the same sentence. Forgive me. I can't believe that. But anyway, he's got a lot of flack for criticizing or beefing Ben Mahangani, and that also gave him a lot of people to follow him. We're not sure if he's got fans yet, but he's got a lot of followers. Huge difference. So Yeah, so I don't know if this ZAMA-ZAMA song, it's a good song. It's a very well worked song, instrumental wise, beat wise. The melody is sitting at the receiver, like I said. Satika kwenda the melodies leta ka music wa Xitsonga ha switwa van'wana va endla ti-album lawa ka axigazini kuma ku hava ti-melody ka album ya kona ko va ti-twang the whole way, and it sounds like it's a loop. You know, so within a short space of time, like maybe plus minus 4 bars. So it's good to hear sound music long at the melodies. You know, kubana melody kubana leso simple ku hishi chaya that's a melody. So it's a good song. What do you guys think? And I feel like it's good. Mapele maybe I focus ka social imbelere ja so because this is a happy song and but kombare ko randeni niritun ka GCR ka tlangiwa nele ka na to hambana mne kam gana lo ne ritlangi simlero already. So it's a good song, it's a positive song. Don't sa ku munhu n'wana na n'wana a ti phutumi enga yimeli kula ku fidiwa kumbe xana kula ku endleriwa swilo wena hi wexe fuka ititirhela hi mavoko ya wena I ZAMA-ZAMA swin'wana na swin'wana leswi nga ta swi endla swi at least ku swi ku nyika mali. I hope as long as it doesn't involve crime. ZAMA-ZAMA because like I said guys, it's a good song. Maybe I can give it how will you rate this song, guys? Let me rate this song according to how I feel. I feel like this song could get me to 7, 8 8.5. I'll give it 8.5. The theme is good, it's positive, it's a happy song. Anyone can play this song, and it's a playful song. You know, these guys are actually having fun, and it's interesting that Mapele has used, like I said, social media to dribble a lot of people, and I feel like he's won because he dribbled a lot of people and he managed to penetrate. I feel like Mapele is gaining relevance. Music right now. He's back. I can say Mapele is back. You know, ilesho. Anustu ilesho sula yini mtaibzela la. Kumusula go ile tu atinsimu. Mara susuna would dialect kuna dialect yele bush ne ba ko ile. Ina again ilesho. Mara Mapele ilesho. Bush Mozambique ilesho. Vari batter sango. Yeah, they whistle. Shambani again it is, and then a la bush very it's very interesting. English is Maraile so Mapele the boss. Okay, I woman katon. Laba hingi sala ku butma Julio na ite yini resimlero. Ba Julio. Tolo ba Julio ri. Shirba Mapele wa delel. Okay, so Majuli is a good song because I remember Logan Cheka previously Majula Kashula Laku Mapele wa delela wena blah blah shurkwetela and clean chaba sukura kona. But it looks like Majuli is hitting a U10 la. Nazaza wala rime mara Majuli takota. Guys, I really love this guy. I love Majuli. But no fan of Majuli when you comedy, high bloody, you know, all these things because these people are always happy. And then you know, they're honest. I love that about Majuli. You know, yeah, it's shocking of but Majuli kala bambini la yeah. And then kuna JB Maxin, like I promised kuta insana JB Maxin okay nganja is when JB Maxin komla it come anistu glog ner kono korota la fer korota kana ra distota nyana smiro na a powerful volume morning utala anistu okay I sunglen kahle JB nikomba ku ingena kahle ngayijani ne yeah ayini
ZAMA-ZAMA Mapele, ZAMA-ZAMA Naneso, ZAMA-ZAMA Naposo, ZAMA-ZAMA Naneso.
Oh, i mhani leyi nga kombeleka ntirho aka munhu loyi a tikomba ku nga ri xikhumukani nga ri mikhalabya leyiwani yi le ku famba yi gongonda yi kombela ntirho kun'wana na kun'wana wo hlantswa ku ayina ku waxa ku hlantswa mafestere swona swo
ZAMA-ZAMA mafoza ZAMA-ZAMA ni mafozo ZAMA-ZAMA mafoza ZAMA-ZAMA ni mafozo Kova ZAMA-ZAMA swa vutomi lebyi
Okay, I'm not sure about this because it comes across a little bit, over the top.
Kova kubuza swa vutomi
No ways, don't do that. Don't do that, Wena. Don't do that. Say community omkufukufu say hila ku iri gena ta unika ntirho hambi ta hukuma ntirho kwala. Oh, mkhalabyo. Oh. Oh, vana vele ku laveka mintirho lowun'wana i buti loyi a nga ku laveka ntirho i mbaletiwa volor i ready i gongondela maybe mhani loyi almost like a slay queen. Yeah, that's what lots of guys who are looking for jobs do. They even take off their hats. I don't know ku swi nghenelela kwini. But JB actor, guys, this guy is so good. He's actually capturing this song so well. So far, all the themes, he's actually managing to capture them. I like the female character. Is she blind? Ngari ku hava ntirho la. Slay queen mentality. Don't even come back here. We don't even have a job here. Oh, so I look back and perform live on stage. Or when they're shooting the video.
Son of the producer. Dos, Nese, Okuyinwe.
Niranda kukhensa wena Mapele the boss.
I like that JP Maxine is actually capturing Mannes Matela correctly. The colors that he used, Duku, because he ran that Duku Snene, Namsislia yo chicken. I think JP Maxine Ibone in Candelo Gingirikani Mannes Matala like Ancadelo. I'm so exactly like this. So he actually saw this.
Namutamina na wena ingatangana yenda bunanga. ZAMA-ZAMA wakavutomi lebyi bya nkarhi lowu. Mi nga voni munhu ambala swo koma.
Oh, swona swa nhleketa swona swa ku maybe lavo va ku tirha na vusiku va xavisa miri. Maybe a hi swona ku xavisa miri ne.
ZAMA-ZAMA mi nga voni loko hi famba na vakhalabya.
Oh, vakhalabya i ti sugar daddies kumshana ti blesser.
ZAMA-ZAMA mi nga voni loko hi famba swinyamini. ZAMA-ZAMA mi nga hi voni ku tola ti-makeup hi hindzisa mpimo.
Marinate kunene ilwa ntombo because loko nga ti marinate va ta teka so ZAMA-ZAMA n'wana madala
ZAMA-ZAMA hi ku ko va ZAMA-ZAMA ka vutomi bya sweswi.
True mannes hi byeleni ko ZAMA-ZAMiwa hi leswo
ZAMA-ZAMA Mapele ZAMA-ZAMA.
Guys, I love this song. This is a hit song, and then JB is actually capturing this thing so nice. Guys, JB Maxine, well done, man. So lava lava ba famba ba lava mintirho ba khome ti-placards leto tsala ku plumbing, plastering, va vula ku va swi kota ku swi endla swilo leswiya. So loko I va lava wa va hayara va tala ku tshama va ri ti-group lomu matikhoneni emapatwini ma le Joni hakanyingi loko n'wina mi nga tshama mi ya la xilungu mi ta va vona vanhu va xinuna vo tala lava kotaka ku tirha mintirho leya va yimelele mintirho va kha va lava mintirho va tshama hi mavoko. Ende minkarhi yo tala kuma ku loko ku ta movha wun'wani va teka wun'wani we sala se ku va fambile ha tlhela lexa xin'wana xi busy xi loko yimiseka timovha xi kha xi komba na thanga vutomi thanga n'wana mali. A nga ra swi le ku yi fambile namuntlha n'wi a yi ze yi kuma ntirho na oh finally yi kume ntirho, well done. Swi le ku zamazameni swi tshama hi mavoko laha ya se nga ri la ku chaya la go va chesla posla
Bella I
finder. I love that part, finder. Ne? I wasn't expecting the weave to get off.
Finder.
But that's why I suit the JP. Let's from Saxon. Finder. I love that part. Ileso ngona mati. Guys, mzweni kumirini JB Maxon. Ashibelin maboko guys. Well done JB Maxon. Well done. This is beautiful, man. Ko aku actually ku ri Mutsonga swa tekanyana swilo ku JB a ri nga ri Mutsonga ta va ri kule. Samno vulavula hi Sol Makamla loko loko a ri Mzulu a ta va ri ka radio swi le ka radio kumexana loko no vulavula hi JB na hi ta kuma swin'wana. Very tabe at the end of blood na ti-generations. I feel like this guy can do well, man. He's a performer, he's an actor, and it's convincing. There's motion, there's intention. I could make all the swikedzakedzana swi nangutela ku loko I kha nanguta munhu wo actor. The emotion is there, speech is there. So without even saying anything. Because right now, he's just almost like mom, but I just want to story was kota kushlamsela. Well done, JB Maxon. JB Maxon skalagiani la. So baka ina muna mirini hi risimu leri mi nga ri twa ra Mapele na ti-video to ni nga mi tlanga na tona but Gingirikani hi Mapele xitirini JB Maxon a kha ndzi manga to actor. So a ni ta ku a vulavuleni laha hansi mi byela ku mi swi vonisa ku yini mi tsakise yini ngopfungopfu lawani mi tsakise ngopfu hi JB Maxon mi tsakise na hi but Julie. He's honest and a yi na xikhomela. And then I also like this song ya Mapele. Ni tsakise na hi voice ya mahlehleleti leyi nga tirhisiwa la ka risimu leriwani. I always say this, swi kahle ngopfu loko music kahle tlhu nandziha ngopfu loko wa Xitsonga ni vulavula music wa Xitsonga loko ku ri na voice ya smooth Mapele's voice because Mapele xa yimbelela ma swi twa na ti-beat ko ti sharp, then ku va na voice leya yo khandziya henhla leya ya mahlehleleti hakanyingi team Shirima va tirhisa psychology to give that edge type of sound, it's nice. Is it reverb kind of sound? Yeah, it's reverberation. So I like it. Or distortion kind of sound. Look, there's a guitar, but this is a vocal one. Interesting stuff. I love it. So music that kind of a discord. Ikayomelela on the song. So well done Mapele kuba itirhisa King Dos na Caterpillar ba ku niketa those swikedzakedzana swani. So nice. I like it. I love it. So moni nga hadi nkarhi ku hey ikhale ri lawani. You can still for me join na le ka Mandla Gingirikani loko mi ri vanhu lavantshwa mi nge siza mi subscriber. Please hit the subscribe button and also indicate the notification bell. Me choose all notifications. Kulogo in that video, the notifications that can so me join namuntlha le gere mina nikhathi ku ekas dos dinqaniwe somiwe gume qoqotho dinadora Eke stores, ni twa tora, kome qoqot. Salut, menga titimel. Menga titimel. Menga titimel.